Janelle.
And I'm Marissa, and today we're going to be refurbishing some old chairs. Because why not?
We wanted to learn how to refurbish, and we decided that we were going to learn on some old porch chairs we had.
The chairs we chose were wiggly, faded, and starting to fall apart, and just were in bad shape. Let's get started. Can you not get it? Don't put that on you. Oh. Okay, switch.
Yeah.
It's hard to hold it. The same thing.
See, it's not just me.
That's not the part that's supposed to come off. Whoops. Hey Janelle, what happened?
I might have gotten a sliver.
How big is it?
Sliver size? I assume.
Does it hurt?
No. It feels like rainbows on my hand.
Of course it hurts.
So, a bit of an update. We were planning on going to do more sanding. Oh no. Janelle! Janelle, there's raindrops! There's raindrops! There's raindrops! Well, the same thing that happened yesterday is starting to happen, so we gotta bring in our stuff because we've sanded off all the weatherproofing. So.
All right, girls, you wanted to show me what you've done?
Mm-hmm.
What have you done?
So we finished sanding. We did 220. It's really nice, feels really good. And then today, we're gonna be prepping it to be able to paint. So we gotta choose our paint, make sure it's all ready, clean it off so there's no sawdust that could get stuck on it, and then choose our paint and paint.
Yeah, and we don't have to strip off all the stain that we did before because we're doing paint, not stain. So the stain, it would likely show through, but paint, it would cover up the old stain. But we got most of it off so that it's super smooth.
Okay, so you asked me out here to help out because you want to go through my paint and see which paint you want to use?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, let's go do that. Time to pick some paint. Here's a couple of our color options. Here's a kind of a purplish blue. Let's walk down this way. This is white interior. Open seas. This is like a greenish blue. Olympus white. That's kind of a white that's actually just slightly blue. Another one that's kind of dark brown. Interior. This is a green. We got pink.
No.
Janelle's favorite, pink. Do you want to do pink, Janelle?
No.
It's actually quaint peach.
It's the same thing.
That's the same thing. All right.
Well, I like
Open
that blue, but I don't
seas,
know.
watery, so kind of a blue, green. So, do you have an idea? Quaint peach is going to be the best one to have on there, Janelle.
That would be very ugly.
Hey, these. What are your top picks?
I like kind of the darker blues. Let me see if I can find it. I did like this.
Okay, so blue.
There's also a brown I like.
I kind of want to try the Olympus one you're talking about, where it's like mostly white but bluish.
All right, so are those your top 3 picks? Let's take them over to the bench. All right. Okay, we've got 3 contestants here. I'm gonna open these up, and we're gonna take a look. Ooh, this one's old. We gotta stir it.
I'll get this one. Is this the dark brown one?
This is the dark brown one. So we gotta get it kind of stirred up so you can see the real color here. Okay, so now it's looking good. See that? So that's a nice dark color. So a nice,
I like
nice
that
dark
brown.
Okay, so option number 1.
Do we need another stirring stick?
I don't know. This one you can get the color a little bit more. Okay, so
Oh, that one's, you get the color a lot faster.
I kind of like that one.
there's the blue.
haven't
Oh,
seen
see,
this.
there's a
Yeah.
little bit of a chunk. That's okay. We can get that chunk out of there. See how there's air up here and this part's all gross and nasty? Yuck.
This one looks like art.
So there's option number 2.
Can I try the last one?
Sure. Go for it.
I get a stir it.
Go for it.
I'll be really sad. No. It's over here.
Oh.
Are
so
you
small.
rating my paint cans?
Yes. I stirred it wrong.
Okay, so what's your guys' thoughts? We've got option number 1, option number 2, option number 3. Which one do you want?
I like, no.
I don't like the brown color. It looks like poop.
It looks like poop.
Look at it.
It looks like chocolate to me.
It does. Like if you see in the commercials when they're like stirring the chocolate, like the Lint Bunny ones.
We know their secret now. Marissa ruled out this one.
Okay, I think that's probably good.
Goodbye, Olympus.
Okay, so do you want blue or brown?
Blue.
I'm good with blue.
Okay,
Yeah.
It'll be something different.
all right, blue it is. Good job, girls. You gotta clean all the sand dust off.
So we finished painting the top, I guess the bottom of it, and the sides. We let it dry so that we could flip it over and do the top side. As you can see, we both made some mistakes, but I just wanted to point out one of Marissa's. And now we're just gonna paint the top. Hopefully it goes well. And then we wait an hour, come back and do a second layer or coat.
So we finished our seat planks.
And we're ready to paint the chairs.
Let's go.
I think I might need a stool.
So we're working on painting our plaques. They're looking really good so far. And Janelle did indeed need a stool.
It's very helpful. We're finally done and they feel so nice.
Yes, I'm really happy with how they turned out. And they're definitely worth it. It feels super nice. It's a nice relaxing chair. They're very pretty.
I'm not doing another project like this again for at least a month. Well, bye!